guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and again I have my very special guest, my little sister Lori, and today we're going to make a meat sauce. And this meat sauce, you can have it with any pasta of your choice. My pasta of choice is spaghetti. Let's get started. So here I have 3 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of white wine. You can also use red wine. I have 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of tomato paste, 1 cube of beef bouillon. I have about 4 sprigs of thyme. I have 3 small onions chopped up, 1 cup of water, and of course my ippies. And guys, this is totally optional, and you're going to need salt and pepper. And let's get started. So first, I like to mix my stuff in my meat before I put it in the pan. So I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of ippies, 4 tablespoons of ippies. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, our cracked black pepper, about 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and then I'm going to give this a good mix. Guys, how can I forget my scotch bonnet pepper? And 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, now I'm going to start my fire and add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil and my butter. And we're going to wait till the butter melts before we add our beef and the oil is heated up. Alright guys, I have my heat on medium high. So now I'm just going to add my ground beef mixture and start chopping it up. Guys, this is what it should look like. It's almost finished. I'm just like, you know, chopping up the meat a little bit, grounding it more. You're just gonna keep letting it, you're just gonna have it cooking till your meat is brown and there's no excess liquid left. Okay guys, now we're going to add the thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, or you want to add the onions? We're going to add the onions. And garlic. I'm just going to mix that in. So now we're going to add our wine. I let the onions and the garlic cook for about 3 minutes, and now I'm going to add the wine and then let it reduce for another 3 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just going to give it a mix, a nice stir. Oh my gosh, whew, it smells so good. So good, so good. Now we're going to add our beef bouillon. And we're crushing it in. We're gonna add our tomato paste. And water. And just give it, we're just gonna mix everything in.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna mix everything in.
We can mix together.
Alright guys, I added, everything is well incorporated. So now I'm just going to cover it, put it on low, and let this simmer for about 4 hours. Just kidding. 30 minutes to an hour.
Alright guys, so this is the final product with the meat sauce and everything plated all together. Topped it off with some cheese. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it.
And guys, I also forgot to mention that while the meat sauce is cooking, you want to stir it like every 10 to 15 minutes so it's not sticking to the bottom of the pan. So be sure to do that. Want to give it a little taste test, sis?
Yes, I do. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Yeah. It's a little messy. I'm trying to eat it very nice, but oh well.
Alright guys, so my sister took off with her plate because she could not wait. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what I should make next down in the comments below. Thank you guys. Peace.